am Shazia Ramzan from Pakistan.
I am Amina Yusuf from Nigeria.
I'm Salam from Syria.
I'm Kainat Riaz from Pakistan.
Thank you. And I am Malala from Pakistan. I am so thankful to all of you for your love, for your support, but I'm here standing with 4 young girls for a cause, for a mission, for a basic human right, the right to go to school, the right to get an education, which every child deserves, which is the right of every child, whether it's a child from Syria, whether it's a child from Syria or Nigeria or Pakistan. It's the right of every child. And I'm asking for a basic human right. I have a very small kind of dream, that is to see the world a happier place, a place where every child can have the right to go to school, where every child and every person has the freedom to live a happy life, to live a peaceful life, to live in safety. That is my dream. And I have this dream because there are millions of people, millions of children who do not have these rights right now. There are 59 million children, only on primary scale, who cannot go to school. Up to 66 million girls are deprived of education. And that forces me, that forces all 5 of us to ask here today that no world leader would want their children to be deprived of education. So why to ignore the rest of the world's children? Why to ignore the rest of the world's children? In these global goals, I want education to be the top priority, because how can we end poverty? How can we ensure health? How can we make sure that there is equality in society and there is prosperity in society when we deny the right to education? So education should be the top priority of our world leaders, and I'm hopeful that they will look to the future and they will invest in this field. It's not that there is lack of money in this world. It's not that there is lack of money. We have billions and trillions of dollars, but where the money goes is military, is things that are useless and that are not useful to society. It is a book and a pen that can change the life of a child. It's not a gun, it's not a Kalashnikov. A gun, it was a gun that hit me on the left side of my forehead. It was a gun that hit my 2 friends. But it wasn't a pen. But it is a pen who really helped us to go forward in our life. Education really means a lot to me and to the world's children. So today, I ask all of you, each and every one of you, to join me in this movement, to ensure that every child gets this right. Not just primary education, but secondary, full, complete 12 years of education for every child, every girl, all around the world. No child should be neglected. They are the future. They are the future. Future should not be neglected. And let us work together. Let us work together, join this movement to make this world not just a better, but the best place to live, where education is given to every child. Education is hope, education is peace, education is a basic human right. Will you stand with me? Will you stand with me? Will you stand with Amina? Will you stand with Salam? Will you stand with Kainat? Will you stand with Shazia? Will you stand with those 66 million girls who are deprived of education right now? Will you stand with all of us who hope for a better future, who hope for a best future? Will you stand with us? Thank you so much to all of you, and I'm hopeful that change will come. Change will come, but change does not come itself. It's we, it's you, it's all of us who work together and bring that change. So let's be that change and make sure that this world gives the basic human right to every child, which is education. Thank you so much.